Hello, Joshua. This is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. I reached out to you guys earlier today, and Kay told me that you would be the one who would be best to watch this video. So I'm actually going to keep it really short and sweet. I just want to go through your site really quickly, through one of your competitors' sites really quickly, and then I'm actually going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in more traffic to your site. So I will often send these videos out, and once business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out. So without further ado, let's get into it. Right here I am on your homepage, moisturemasterpros.com. So I really like this video right here. Good start. So I think it's actually a pretty good looking website. So I think it is pretty good, but it doesn't have a ton of content on it. And so you want to have around 1,000 to 1,500 words on the homepage alone. You guys, I looked it up, have 661. So we definitely want to add some more content on there. We also want that content to be quality educational content. Google is going to rank you guys based off of around 200 different factors, and content is definitely one of the key factors. You definitely want Google to be able to read through your site and determine that their users are going to find the information and or services that they need with ease. And in addition to that, we also want to make sure that you have the right amount of the right keywords in there that are going to bring in a lot of traffic so that we can get you ranked for the right things. And so right here, we are on Google, and the keyword phrase that I'm going to be using for today is mold remediation Philadelphia. This brings in around 300 searches per month. So even if you just converted a few of those into customers, you would be doing pretty well for just one keyword. Below that, we have our Google Ads. Google Ads are a great way to get your name out there while you're waiting for your SEO to kick in, get some recognition. However, unless you know what you're doing, you can waste a lot of money on them, and they're not going to give you the best ROI, at least not long term. But right here, underneath that, we have our Google Map Pack. This is a good place to be. You want to get one of these top 3 spots right here. And the way that you do that is through citations. And so citations are just when your business is listed on different directories throughout the web. So think Yelp, Yellow Pages, Yext. These are all good examples of directories that people use and trust. And so you want to compare your citations to theirs, and you want to outdo them on citations, and by a lot. So down here, we have our organic search results. These are by far the most important. Google has come out and said that over 70% of people, when they search something in, this is what they are going to be clicking on. So you want to be towards the top of the first page. So this guy would be your number 1 competitor for this keyword. We can go through the site. As you can see already, he's highlighting, bolding keywords that he's going for, and you can see he has a lot of content. I did a word count on this site as well, and they have 1,277 words, so they're right in there where Google wants you to be for your homepage. But it would be very easy to beat them out with the content. And the main way that you're actually going to get ranked on these organic search results are going to be through backlinks. And backlinks are basically just a shout out from another website. So the web is basically made up of websites linking websites, businesses linking businesses. You want local, high powered, reputable businesses backlinking to your website. So a reputable plumbing company or construction company, that would be a good kind of person to link out to your site. That would be very valuable for you guys. Right here, if you guys ever want to do this on your own, I highly suggest getting this tool. This is ahrefs.com. It cost me around $400 a month, but it has a lot of good information that it gives you. So right here, I just looked up the person we were just looking at, and their site has 284 backlinks from 86 different sites with 500 organic keywords they are ranking for. So we can actually take a closer look. Here on the left, you can see all the different keywords. As you can tell, there are a lot. We can see how many people are looking those up per month, how much traffic they get from that keyword, and what position they hold on Google. So we can kind of go through here and determine which keywords are worth going for on your website. We can do the same thing that we did for the keywords with backlinks. So here we can go through and find all the best backlinks. You want one with a high DR or domain rating. It goes from 1 to 100. We can go through and just like the keywords, snag the best ones. You do want to go for quality over quantity, but you really do want to outdo them with the quantity as well. So 278 backlinks is not a hard number to beat, but do keep in mind that this is just one keyword for one service that you do, just one other competitor. So we want to be able to outrank every competitor for every service that you provide for all the keywords, and you want to outdo backlinks between all of them. You want more backlinks than all of them. Lastly, we will look at your page. You guys have 37 backlinks right now from 21 different domains and are ranking for 136 keywords. So you guys are ranking number 1 for Master Pros, but since that is your name, if someone doesn't already know you and is looking for you on their own, it looks like it will be harder to find you. You are ranking decently well for some keywords, but as you can see, they don't bring in a ton of volume. And so we definitely want to start going for the keywords that are going to bring you the most volume and get you more backlinks than all of the other people that are trying to rank for that keyword as well. So that's basically what I have for you today. To recap what we went over, number 1, more content, more of the correct keywords in that content, and we want that content to be valuable and educational for Google's users. Number 2, we want to have some more citations to get you on that map pack. And then number 3, we want relevant, high-powered backlinks. So I hope that you got something from this video, whether or not that we team up together. However, if you do want to learn more or team up, please reach out to me. You have my email. My phone number is 714-975-5909. So I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you.